Have you ever wondered how oxygen gets from the air you breathe to every part of your body? Oxygen is one of the most important substances for human life. Every organ, tissue, and cell in your body needs oxygen to survive and produce energy. The journey of oxygen through the body is an amazing process that happens every second without us even thinking about it. It all begins when you take a breath in. Air enters through your nose or mouth and travels down the windpipe into your lungs. Inside the lungs are millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. These air sacs are surrounded by tiny blood vessels known as capillaries. When oxygen reaches the alveoli, it passes through their thin walls and enters the bloodstream. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas produced by the body, leaves the blood and enters the lungs so it can be breathed out. Once oxygen enters the blood, it attaches itself to a protein called hemoglobin inside red blood cells. These red blood cells act like delivery trucks, carrying oxygen throughout the body. The heart then pumps this oxygen-rich blood through a network of arteries and blood vessels. As the blood travels, oxygen is delivered to every organ and tissue. The brain receives oxygen to help with thinking, memory, and concentration. The muscles receive oxygen to support movement and strength. The heart itself needs oxygen to keep pumping blood effectively. Every cell depends on oxygen to perform its daily functions. Inside each cell are tiny structures called mitochondria. These are often called the powerhouses of the cell. Mitochondria use oxygen to convert nutrients from food into energy. This energy powers everything your body does, from blinking your eyes to running a marathon. When the body receives enough oxygen, many positive effects occur. The brain functions better, allowing clearer thinking and improved focus. Muscles perform more efficiently and recover faster. The heart and circulatory system work more effectively, and the body has more energy for daily activities. However, problems can occur when the body does not receive enough oxygen. This condition is known as oxygen deprivation or low oxygen levels. When the brain lacks oxygen, concentration becomes difficult, and a person may feel dizzy or confused. If the lungs cannot absorb enough oxygen, breathing becomes harder, and the body must work harder to get the oxygen it needs. Muscles that do not receive sufficient oxygen may feel weak, tired, and unable to perform at their best. Poor oxygen delivery can also affect circulation, causing organs and tissues to function less efficiently. In severe cases, prolonged oxygen deprivation can damage important organs and become life-threatening. The good news is that healthy habits can help improve oxygen delivery throughout the body. Regular exercise strengthens the heart and lungs. Deep breathing improves lung function. Staying hydrated supports circulation.